Let's go to question 111. Minimum depth of binary tree. This is easy question. Given a binary tree, find the minimum depth. The minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest limb node. Node or limb is the node with no children. Let's check the example 1. Given binary tree 3, 9, 20, null, null, 15, 7. At this time, shortest depth is this one. And depth check with count of node. So this time is node is 1, 2, so return 2. How we can solve it? I gonna use level order, so I will use the queue with iteration. So first the queue put this one, and then second level is the depth of this one. If there are one more value, and then next depth is the shortest. Does it make sense? Okay, let's implement it. If we implement level order, we need the queue. So I will make the queue. I will use collection, the queue, and then we need to make depth. Yes, start with 1, and then let's prevent one edge case. If root is none, and then what is depth? That's right, 0, because there are no node. So count of node is 0. And then I will append queue, append root, because we already knew root is not known. While queue, and then I will iteration size of queue. This is the level, and get node from queue. And if node left is none, if this is lift node, I will return depth. Otherwise, I put, if node left is not null, I put queue, append node left, and then if node right is not null, queue, append node right. The reason why we check the node right status before put the queue, we will not put the known value to the queue. After that, I will increase depth. Depth is same as level. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, in this case, time complexity is minimum the level order, and the worst case is the level is same. This is the same as depth. In this case, we needed to traverse all of node, so time complexity is linear, and space complexity also linear because we use queue. Thank you.